The Z-Grill's wood pellet grill smoker with Pi-D controller is a versatile and high-performance outdoor cooking solution, perfect for grilling enthusiasts who want precision and convenience. Featuring an 8-in-1 cooking system, this grill allows you to smoke, grill, bake, roast, braise, barbecue, sear, and char grill, offering endless possibilities for delicious meals. The PID temperature control system ensures accurate and consistent heat, allowing for precise temperature adjustments to achieve perfect results every time. With an impressive 572 square inch cooking area, this grill provides ample space for cooking multiple dishes at once, making it ideal for backyard gatherings, parties, and family cookouts. Designed for convenience, the Z-Grill's wood pellet grill features an auto temperature control system that maintains a steady heat level without constant monitoring. The large storage cabinet offers plenty of space to keep grilling accessories, pellets, and tools neatly organized, while the side shelf with tool hooks provides easy access to utensils during cooking. Built with durable materials and a sleek design, this pellet grill is not only functional, but also enhances any outdoor cooking space. Whether you're slow smoking ribs, searing steaks, or baking a pizza, the Z-Grill's 600D wood pellet grill delivers incredible wood-fired flavor with ease and efficiency. The Dynaglow DGU 732BDD 30-inch digital electric smoker is a high-quality smoking solution designed for convenience and precision. With its digital control panel, users can easily adjust the temperature, cooking time, and monitor the smoking process with minimal effort. This electric smoker features a 30-inch cooking chamber with spacious racks, allowing ample room to smoke a variety of meats, poultry, fish, and more. The integrated thermostat-controlled heating element ensures consistent temperature control, delivering perfectly smoked food every time. Its double-wall insulation helps retain heat and maintain efficiency, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced smoking enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Dynaglow DGU 732BDED is its side-access wood chip loader, allowing users to add wood chips without opening the main chamber and losing heat. This design enhances the smoking process while maintaining a steady internal temperature. The smoker also includes a removable drip tray and grease management system, making cleanup easy after each use. With its sleek black finish and durable construction, this digital electric smoker is perfect for backyard barbecue lovers who want the authentic smoky flavor without the hassle of traditional charcoal or propane smokers. Whether you're smoking ribs, brisket, or fish, the Dynaglow 30-inch digital electric smoker offers a convenient and efficient way to achieve delicious restaurant-quality results. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker is a high-performance smoker designed for convenience, precision, and versatility. With a spacious 725 square inches of cooking area, it provides ample room to smoke meats, poultry, fish, and more, making it ideal for backyard barbecues and family gatherings. The digital control panel allows for easy temperature adjustments, ensuring consistent heat for perfectly smoked dishes every time. Featuring a glass door, users can monitor the smoking process without opening the chamber, helping to retain heat and smoke for enhanced flavor. The included leg kit raises the smoker to a comfortable height, making it easier to access and manage food during cooking. One of the standout features of the East Oak Ridgewood Pro is its side wood chip loader, allowing users to add wood chips without disrupting the smoking environment. This ensures a continuous infusion of rich, smoky flavors while maintaining optimal cooking temperatures. The smoker's night blue finish adds a stylish touch to any outdoor setup, while its sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting durability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barbecue enthusiast, this electric smoker offers a hassle-free and efficient way to achieve restaurant-quality smoked meats with minimal effort. The Masterbuilt 30-inch electric vertical barbecue smoker, model MB207210, is a reliable and easy-to-use smoker designed for both beginners and seasoned barbecue enthusiasts. With 535 square inches of cooking space, it provides ample room for smoking meats, poultry, fish, and vegetables, making it a great choice for backyard barbecues and family gatherings. The analog temperature control allows for simple heat adjustments, ensuring consistent and even smoking without the need for constant monitoring. Its 3 chrome-coated smoking racks offer plenty of space for multiple layers of food, maximizing cooking capacity while maintaining an efficient, compact design. Built for convenience, the master-built 30-inch electric smoker features a front-loading wood chip tray, allowing users to add wood chips easily without opening the main chamber and losing heat. The well-insulated, black-finished body helps retain heat and smoke, delivering rich, authentic flavors to every dish. With its durable construction and user-friendly operation, this smoker is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy delicious, slow-smoked meals without the hassle of charcoal or propane. Whether you're smoking ribs, brisket, or fish, the master-built MB207010 electric smoker offers an effortless way to achieve tender, flavorful results every time. The Charbroil Bullet Charcoal Smoker 16-inch, model 1820275, is a compact yet powerful smoker designed for those who love authentic, smoky barbecue flavors. Its bullet-style design provides excellent heat and smoke circulation, ensuring evenly cooked, flavorful meats every time. The porcelain-coated steel body enhances durability while retaining heat efficiently, making it perfect for slow-cooking ribs, brisket, chicken, and more. With dual dampers for airflow control, users can easily adjust the temperature and smoke levels to achieve the perfect cook, whether they're beginners or experienced pitmasters. This 16-inch charcoal smoker features a chrome-plated cooking grate, providing ample space for smoking a variety of foods while maintaining a compact footprint. The removable ash pan allows for easy cleanup, so you can spend more time enjoying your barbecue rather than dealing with maintenance. Designed with sturdy legs for stability and a sleek black finish, the Charbroil Bullet Smoker is both stylish and functional. Whether you're grilling in your backyard or taking it on a camping trip, this smoker offers an excellent combination of convenience, durability, and classic charcoal smoked flavor.